water was on the road. Not terrible. I've seen worse. Whew. Not too bad. We made it for now. This all was just covered in water, and so what's happened is it's come in and underneath the road, and it's taking out parts of this foundation of the road and weakening it. But today it's cleared up just a little bit. Doesn't mean that it's any less. It's not any better, put it that way. But that's what happens when you're surrounded by an inlet. It was all underwater last night and for the past couple days. Here we go, coming into Starbase. Another beautiful day. November 22nd, 5:50 p.m. We were right in the middle of a shift changeover. Welcome to Starbase. Cool. Areas like this where just gotta do that. Ring yard. Not too bad back here. See what we've got going. There's the launch site in the abyss. These guys look cold. Here comes the party. Tracking station. Molly could be working. Hi, Molly. All right, the tower is in the cloud. Tower's in the clouds. Let's do this. We're going down to the launch site. Not sure what that light is. Fire being thrown around. We'll find out here shortly. This was probably all underwater as well. Looks like they're building some kind of tent over there. What a beautiful sight it is. Looks like they dug it out to make for some, yeah. I see a tent being built. Maybe to cover up the rain. We're looking at ship 24. We're looking at booster 7 up on the, I think booster 7's up on the launch site. Yeah, launch table. Yep. It looks like they did build a temporary tent, I'm assuming for the water, for when it rained. And this road I have been on when it was completely covered in water. And it looks like it's kind of meandered off for a little bit. This was probably up over the road. See how it just hugs the shoreline like that? Looks like we have some activity happening. Let's go check it out, shall we? Suborbital tank farm is venting. Coming in hot. Let's go park. Cool. Lots of wet. Here we go, here comes some water. Woof. Leaving Starbase. Lots of water. I love how it shines though in the lights. In the water. Oh my gosh. Potholes are crazy. The road actually, that's the water right there. Actually washed over the road. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's still underwater over there. Oh, here it comes. Woo! All right. Here we go. Okay. The ocean is just right there. Lots of potholes. You can tell that the road has been washed up. Oh God. Ay, ay, ay. You're coming out of Border Patrol. Pretty sure it smells weird. It smells like trash. Probably because over there is the dump and it got infiltrated with water last night. There should be some water up here. Ugh. Maybe it's already superseded. I hit it on the way in, so it's possible that it's gone down or something. I don't know. Anywho, that wasn't a terrible drive. Wish I brought my camera, but that's okay. All right, till next time. See y'all later.